Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video I am going to show you, I am going to teach you A to Z that how you can do a KYC inside any PC, inside any emulator from your Android, or you can also do it only with PC. Okay, so this right here is, this one is my Android device. Okay, so you have to watch the video very carefully, then you will understand, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, the first thing I am teaching you is how you can spoof the camera inside your Android device. For example, right here, if I open the camera, it will turn on my real camera, but how I can spoof the camera? The question is how I can spoof the camera. Let's suppose, for example, if I here open the camera, you can see my real camera is not opening because it's already spoofed. Okay, you can zoom the camera. Okay, you can do whatever you want, you can change the camera because it's already spoofed. You can see it's changing from here. Okay, you can also capture the picture and you can check it out inside your gallery. So how you can spoof the camera inside your Android device, and how you can spoof the emulator camera. You can see right here how you can spoof the PC camera with Android device. So if you watch the video very carefully, then you will understand easily. Okay, first of all, right here, let me open the OBS. Okay, when you open the OBS, already you open the emulator, for example. Okay, so you have to watch the video very carefully. This video is only for education purposes. A lot of people want to learn how they can do a KYC, so you can also contact me if you want to on my Telegram. Okay, and I'm not showing you A to Z things here because for my safety, for my channel safety, but if you want to learn A to Z, you can contact me on my Telegram, etc. Okay, so for example, let's suppose if I select any picture right here. Okay, for example, I select it. Now let's go to BlueStack here, and now you will be able to see this right here. When you turn on start virtual camera, okay, you can see the picture is properly spoofed. The camera is spoofed. So right here you can manage your size first of all. Okay, when you manage the size, you can also turn the video, and also you can turn the picture on. Okay, so let me manage this picture inside the middle of this one. Okay, watch the video very carefully so you will understand easily, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, now for example, if I want to sorry, if I want to spoof this image inside this emulator, I must need KYC bypass. Okay, now what is the KYC bypass? KYC bypass, there are two types of bypass. The first bypass is using for OBS. You understand? OBS to emulator KYC bypass, which I already explained in my previous videos, but in this video I'm explaining the KYC bypass from Android to your PC. For example, this is my Android right here. Okay, this is my Android, and this real Android to your emulator or your PC. Okay, so you have to watch the video very carefully, then you will understand, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, as you can see from settings, you will not see any extra options. Okay, when you go to the devices inside the cameras, okay, there is nothing. So if you watch the video very carefully, you will understand, otherwise you will not understand. As you can see, it's turned my real camera of my laptop turn on. So I just blank it because don't want to show you my face, so that's why. Okay, so right here I'm going to change it to OBS Virtual Camera, and then we need emulator KYC bypass to run an Android camera inside, to spoof the Android camera inside the PC. Okay, now how actually you can put, for example right here. Okay, wait a second, sorry. For example, right here, if I want to put image inside this camera right here. Okay, for example, if I open the camera, I already spoofed it. Now I'm going to turn it off. Go to empty manager, go to Android, go to data, and then right here find the application, the target application, then go to the camera one folder and then delete it. Okay, so when you delete it, now if I try to open the camera, you can see this is my real camera right now. It's open. So this is how actually you can spoof the camera. For example, if I want to use any video now right here, okay, let's suppose use any video. Okay, for example, actually I don't have any video, but let's try this one. For example, I put this one and it will not work directly like this. Okay, so here virtual .mp4. okay, now you can see everything is working now. So this is how actually you can spoof the camera. Also, if you want to use the picture or image inside your this Android device, this one, okay, and after that if you want to use same documents, same IDs or same picture inside your emulator, so or inside your Windows directly, so you can contact me and I will teach you from A to Z. There is nothing to worry about. Okay, I will teach you from A to Z that how you can run it. Okay, so in this video, just little bit education I want to give you about these things, and if you want to learn something, just be serious, contact with me and I can teach you. Okay, and also this video is only for education purposes. I am not responsible for any illegal use. Okay, so in this video, this is all I want to show you. I hope you guys understand. See you next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.